Are you tired of fighting a never-ending battle against breakouts? Or maybe you're wondering how that pimple so conveniently popped up at the worst time. Today, we'll be diving deep into acne-prone skin and what causes these constant breakouts. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nioby for those of you who are new, and I love to talk about beauty, skincare, and personal growth. Now, for all my girlies who are coming back to the channel, hi friends, I definitely missed you guys. Today we're going to be discussing skincare, and I'll be going over 9 different reasons why you may be breaking out. These are 9 reasons that I have discovered for myself that was the reason I was horrendously breaking out like every day as someone with sensitive and acne prone skin. So hopefully this makes your life easier and stops the overall breakouts that you're going through. So make sure you listen to this video all the way through if you want clear skin, because I will be adding things that are just not something that us humans normally have to think about. Our environment plays a huge role in our skin. I have very acne prone skin. I'll show you guys a photo right over here what my skin looks like without makeup, but I wanted to serve y'all looks today, so don't mind me. When I was younger, I would literally break out every day, and I was just going through it. So I grew tired of people inserting their 2 cents and telling me to wash my face, which ended up me overwashing my face, because washing my face was never the issue. I personally always was on point with my skincare routine. I just didn't understand my triggers. I went to dermatologists. I went to so many estheticians. I spent thousands of dollars trying to understand my skin, trying to get my skin under control. Buying new skincare, dermabrasions, dermaplaning, chemical peels, glow peel, whatever it was. Like, I was trying everything. I was literally so tired and so frustrated. I felt like giving up, but honestly, that has just never been in my DNA. I am not the person to give up. I'm very resilient, and that's why I was able to figure out how to get clear skin. And you're also clearly resilient if you came across this video and you're watching it now. Mind you, I am not an esthetician nor am I a dermatologist. I am someone who's just been through the worst acne journey. So I'm first going to talk about what you're consuming, because what I was consuming was playing a huge role in my uncontrollable breakouts. And throughout this video, I will not be mentioning products you should use. If I do, they might be towards the end. I feel like products and certain skincare regimens, that should be like a separate video, because I will say that my clear skin came from the sacrifices I made in my lifestyle, and then the routine was the cherry on top. Number 1, stop eating dairy. Most of us are allergic or developing an allergy to dairy. We don't realize that when we're younger, but as we get older, it starts to really show and develop. And you can see this in different ways, like maybe your stomach is hurting, you're getting cramps, bloated all the time, you're having digestion issues, and you're also experiencing acne. I have a terrible relationship with dairy products, like anything with dairy in it, cookies, chocolate, milk, you name it, pasta sauce with dairy in it. It causes my skin to break out, child, like really bad. I will get it like all over my jawline and sometimes on my cheeks. Like, I have learned to put dairy products down. I don't care how delicious something may taste, like Alfredo pasta. It is not worth the acne. So I'm sure if you live in the US, you are highly aware that Americans eat way too much meat. And in order to meet the market's demand, they need more livestock as well as bigger livestock. So what they'll do a lot of times is inject these poor animals with hormones or overbreed them. Chicks are being grinded up live for your chicken nuggets. These animals are also forced to stand in their own feces for like their entire life until they take them to the slaughterhouse. I personally don't eat red meat, and it's very rare if I eat chicken. I think that because of the overconsumption, I don't even trust eating meat here in the US. There's way too much going on in that animal, and then for me to digest it, it would cause just long-term health issues, and one of them is acne. How would you honestly expect to have clear skin if all you eat is this really bad meat? And I'll leave that there for you guys to think about, because a lot of times when people discuss like what they're eating as far as like meats, it kind of rolls off of people's shoulder, because I think it's like the cultural thing to do. In America, I feel like it was in the past to not overthink it. Another reason you could be breaking out is that you have a vitamin D or iron deficiency. I know, who would have thought, right? So when I started taking my vitamin D and iron supplements, I saw a major difference in my skin. So vitamin D regulates your immune system, which does have direct link to your skin health. I did some research on iron so I can give you guys the exact reason why. And it says iron is vital for your skin health. Low iron levels can indirectly affect acne development and decrease blood circulation and oxygen. So let's talk about your shampoo and conditioner. Now, I also experience back knee, shoulder acne, chest acne, like all along my arms. And for a while, I did not understand why. It was the most irritating thing, because like it's summertime, it's springtime, you want to show off like your collarbones, your chest, you know, you're showing a little bit of shoulder and your back is out. So I learned that my back knee, my body acne was being caused by my shampoo and my conditioner. I was even getting shampoos and conditioners that were amazing for my curls, but just did not work for my skin. I would get breakouts along my hairline, which would always tell me that I was breaking out from my hair care products. Piggybacking off of that last tip are laundry detergents and fabric softeners. So I have discovered when you have sensitive and acne prone skin, you will react to detergents with heavy perfume and fragrance. I have switched out my detergent and softener for fragrance-free formulas. My softener is a natural one, which I will leave a link down to the softener I use. It's like all natural, so it does have scent, but it's a natural scent. And then the detergent I use is the all fragrance-free detergent, and that has been working very well for my skin. As you can see, honey, I am not breaking out. However, I do have a skincare regimen for my body for when I do break out from time to time, so I can definitely share that in a separate video. Also, since we're on perfumes, actual perfumes can be breaking you out as well. I cannot spray perfumes on my chest or even on like these sensitive areas up here along my shoulders. I just break out. I don't know, I just break out. I can spray them on my wrist, on my ankle, on my legs, on my clothes, you know, all that, but I just cannot spray it on these more sensitive areas. Even body lotions with heavy fragrance will break me out. I just opt out for the fragrance because I just do not have time. Another tip I want to give you is to wash your pillowcases. Now that you have a new detergent that you will be using, it is important to wash your pillowcases at least every week and a half to 2 weeks. I'm not shy when it comes to washing my bed sheets, my pillowcases, because that's where I rest at night. So I don't want to experience any breakouts on my cheeks, on my face, on my back, on my chest, on my arms. I like to wash my pillowcases and my bed sheets very often because, I mean, I wear makeup, I sweat, we do shed a lot of dead skin. And I mean, who doesn't like to sleep in like comfort and freshness and like just a clean environment? Some people don't be washing their sheets. They be washing them like every 2 fucking months, and I'm like, what are you doing? Like, that's nasty. You get hair products all over your pillow, so even if you have hair products that do work for your hair and your skin, If you're constantly laying down on your pillow and forgetting to wrap your hair up, all that product that you're getting on your pillow is going to end up on your face. And the last tip I want to give you is a question I want to ask. Are you washing your face in the morning and in the evening? And are you doing it with a regimen that works for you? When it comes to skincare regimens, I always recommend visiting an esthetician. I found my really good esthetician, Roxy, online on Instagram. I made sure to just stalk her a little bit, make sure she was the real deal, and she was. And I was able to learn my skin type, kind of cleansers and lotions I should be using. For example, I have acne prone skin, so I really shouldn't be using creams. Creams are too heavy, they're too thick, they're gonna break me out. I should be sticking to moisturizers. Details matter. So I always recommend booking an appointment with your esthetician. Is definitely worth the money before you continue buying products. You need to know what your skin type is. You need to know what you're reactive to. You need to know what is going on. Make sure you try out all these tips and let the girlies know if there's any other tips that they should be trying out. I'm so excited for your clear, beautiful, glowing skin. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips as well as beauty tips. Comment down below if you guys have any questions. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.